Well, hi everybody. I have a very exciting announcement, and that is the introduction of Softwave Therapy. I'm Dr. Chris Scoobles here with Square One Health, and this video is for our current patients, your friends, your family, and your loved ones. And we've been quietly preparing and training for this new therapy for the last several weeks. And this has actually existed in Germany for over 10 years, tested and proven, and it's been in the United States for 3 years now. It's FDA cleared treatment. There's currently less than 600 of these units actually in the United States, and there's about a 6-month waiting list just for a clinic to receive these, and we just received ours a couple weeks ago. And up until this point, this has really only been accessible to things like major sports teams, for example, the Chicago Cubs or the Pittsburgh Steelers, and in really well-known clinics like the Cleveland Clinic or the Mayo Clinic. It's been used at Harvard Medical School and Northwestern Medical School, just to name a few. But now we're actually able to bring this to you and your friends and family and loved ones. Now, Softwave Therapy is also called Tissue Regenerative Therapy. It was featured on the show, The Doctors, where they actually called it the healthcare of the future. And it's specific acoustic waves that does some very important things. Number one, it actually clears out inflammation almost immediately. 2, it brings in increased blood flow to the damaged area by 200 to 300%. But 3, and most importantly, it actually clears out dead and old and aged and damaged cells and helps get rid of scar tissue. And it actually makes room and sets the environment to repair new tissue. See, it actually stimulates your body's own stem cells to migrate into the area. And these are your body's own cells that can repair damaged and old tissues and help regrow and regenerate new tissues. This is great for things like degenerative knees that are bone on bone, shoulder problems such as torn ligaments, tendons, rotator cuff tears, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, neck pain, back pain. It's fantastic with things like plantar fasciitis and neuropathy, and even things like fibromyalgia, all kinds of soft tissue things, and even some bone conditions. Now, the first thing we are doing is we're offering this to you, our current patients, and your family and friends. And what we're doing is we're actually scheduling what's called mapping sessions. And what mapping sessions are is, one, when patients come in, we want to learn more about what's your main concern, what's bothering you. And then 2, we'll actually do a session to actually find exactly where that pain is coming from. Sometimes the injury is not always where you feel the pain, so find out where the pain driver is. And then it's initial treatment to actually see how you'll respond to this therapy. Now, 60 to 90% of all patients get relief within about 10 to 15 minutes of that first session. It's actually just fantastic results that we're able to get with this. And so, this is a great time if you're dealing with, shoulders, knees, spine problems, feet, ankle problems, that's keeping you from doing things like golfing or hiking, being active, being able to do things with your kids or your grandkids, really just living the life you want. This is the perfect time to come in and see if this is something that could help you with. It's always been our mission to help people, feel better and heal better and live better without drugs and surgeries, and be able to address things before someone really gets to the last resort, which can be an invasive surgery. So now what it doesn't do, it doesn't completely replace a degenerated disc. It doesn't put a new disc in there, but it actually does micro healing, and will actually go in there and heal those tissues on a micro level, which can dramatically decrease, if not completely eliminate pain, but most importantly, allow you to function at a really high level. So if this is something that you're interested in doing, just reach out to our front desk, give our office a call, or email frontdesk@squareonehealth.com so you can tell them you're interested. That way you can get on the list, and we'll let you know as soon as we have an opening so you can do an introductory mapping session.